Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. This is Rocky. Today is going to be a quick one because all I'm doing is following up on Cyber Monday shopping stuff, and I know we are so far from Cyber Monday, but when you order things online and it's such a busy time of the year, it takes forever to get your things in the mail. So I'm going to start with the most surprising thing here is J. Crew. If you remember from last year, I had sworn off shopping at J. Crew because it took so long for me to get my things, longer than Shein. And you guys know, if you guys have started to shop at Shein at all, or any of these places that are based overseas, it takes a really long time to get your things. But J. Crew is local and it took even longer. I was really disappointed. This time around, this came around like so fast. I was almost skeptical that it was even my package, but it is. So let me tell you more about what I got. If you'll remember when I talked about some of the things I purchased for Cyber Monday, I mentioned the fact that the only reason why I did end up shopping with J. Crew for this Cyber Monday sale was because they sent me a coupon for $50 off any purchase of $50 or more. So legitimately, that is $50 worth of free stuff. So I'm like, yes, please. So here I have $50 worth of stuff, which was two things. And which is, for J. Crew, it's really, you normally for full price, you can't even buy one thing for $50. So two things for $50 is a good deal. So the very first thing, and look, even though I just ordered this, what, like a week or a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, I don't even know what Cyber Monday was, but whenever Cyber Monday was, okay, when was it? A week ago, a little over a week ago. Even though I just ordered this stuff, I can't remember what I bought. So I am discovering this with you. So this one appears to be a teddy. What did they describe this as? I don't know. Warm almond is the color. Oh, it's a crop teddy sweatshirt is what they're calling this. The original price on here, not on here. All right, so I sized up on this because I wasn't sure how I wanted this to fit, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Oh, the inside is so nice. But I did size up on this one. I think this comes in like extra small, but I got this in a small. Yes. Yeah, we're gonna keep this on for the rest of the video. This is so nice. I probably should have gotten my right size because I think it's supposed to be cropped, but it is past my waist. Yeah, it goes to the hips here, so it's supposed to be cropped, but that's okay. I like this. This is nice and warm. I'm fine with this. Yes. So on to the next item. My hair looked a mess before we started, but it looks even more like a mess now. The next item is, what do you call yourself? A slim stretch perfect fit button-down shirt. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, I remember this. This is a plaid one. Can you see the detail on that? I like it. It's a really dark navy with, what is this, forest green? Yeah, it's probably like a forest green running through that. Yeah, I like that. I got this one in a 00 slim. Should we see if this fits? Let's see if this fits. All right, so yeah. I'm a fan of this. I love the fit because I normally can't get my, shirts to fit well, my button-down shirts to fit well. So yeah, I'm a fan of this. That means it'll tuck down into my pants nice and smooth. Yes, I am a fan of this shirt. I was concerned about the size, but it's good. It's good. Definitely will fit well under my suit jackets. It'll tuck well into my trousers. I am a fan of this shirt. So let's hurry up and get through to the last item I want to show you. I've shown you before in the past my facial routine, or maybe my get ready with me routine, and my facial routine, my get ready with me routine, my deep cleansing, all these things I have to do with my face. I have a myriad of different products that I use depending on what type of goals I'm trying to achieve. So there is one face wash that I use. I found a place online that sells it called, what are you called? Derm Avenue. And I found them on Instagram. Actually, it came up on my feed. I have no idea why, but I started to follow them because I will like to buy things from them, right? Normally when I go to buy this face wash, I have to go into a dermatologist's office to purchase this, which is a hassle. So I'm so glad that I found Derm Avenue online, and it saves me the hassle of having to go into somebody's dermatologist's office to find this. But this is Elta MD foaming facial cleanser, and again, I might have told you this before, but this uses the green apple enzymes as part of the cleanser. It's very gentle, but it works really well to do that deep clean that you need. So again, it doesn't dry your skin. It's really nice, and the foaming just feels so awesome. It's like pampering yourself. But this is what it looks like. And I've been using this for quite some time, but interestingly, I don't use this every day. I use it when I'm just kind of going through a deeper cleanse on my face. So if you're interested in trying something new, something that can brighten and freshen your skin from time to time, I would recommend using this Elta MD. Again, I am prone to breakouts, acne, scarring, blemishes, hyperpigmentation, dry skin, a lot of different things going on in this grill. So if I am recommending something, most likely it is very, very gentle on the skin, because everything irritates me. Everything. So if you're looking for something gentle that is very effective, that'll give you the deep clean that you need, something that you could put in your facial routine, I would recommend this Elta MD foaming facial cleanser as a part of your routine. And again, it was very easy to buy at Derm Avenue. I think it's dermavenue.com, but I will as usual, pop everything down in the description box below. So that brings me to the end. I'm going to keep following up with all of the Cyber Monday things that are trickling in. I'm going to start talking about some of the Christmas goodies that I'm planning. Oh, no, I probably won't, because even though my husband and son don't watch this, the very second that I start to release and divulge secrets about Christmas goodies, that'll be the video that they watch. So I'm not going to do that. But maybe I'll talk about my Christmas wish list, and then you can share yours with me. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you come back. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button, leave me a comment, and most of all, I would love if you could share this with your friends. Bye.